So today we will be discussing about a book written by J.D. Salinger, and the title is, as we all know, it is a very popular book. It is Catcher in the Rye. So the story is set in the early 20th century, where a boy named Holden, so this is the main character, and around him the story revolves. He has low interest in studies, so he has been expelled from schools like quite often, and in the school also he is about to get expelled, and he thought of running away with the little amount he had. And so it is about his adventures and what happened with him during his adventure. So from there, he took a train and went to the city center, wherein he checked in a hotel. And there after that, he went to a pub where he met some ladies, and he was not able to influence anyone. And after that, he went to another pub uh, where he met his friend accidentally, because he was alone and he wanted to converse with as many people as he could. Because what would a person do, like, if he runs away from a hostel in the middle of the night and he's just wandering. So after returning from the pub, he went to his hotel, and there he met a lift man, and he told him if he wants some kind of favors, and he said yes. So he sent a girl to his room, uh, and I feel sad for him, because he he was he was he was looted there. And it was kind of funny to read this kind of incident, because it is better to read uh, a book than to see a movie on based on it, because uh, the book helps you to imagine what you really want to see, and not what the director wants you to see. So there, after that, he was lying. He was really bruised. After that, in the next morning, he called his old female friend, and there he met her. After that, there was also an incident of him meeting two nuns who were who were having their breakfast, and to them he donated a quite big sum. The next night, he was roaming in the chilly winter, and he wanted to strike a conversation with anyone he could find. And in this quest, he started a conversation with a taxi driver, and asked him a very stupid or very lame question, that why uh, there's a park, and there ducks are there. That he asked him that where would the ducks go in the chilly winter. So taxi driver had no interest in answering him, so he just kept a straight face, actually. And after that, he he proceeded to go home finally, where he met his younger sister. And there, uh, she asked him, like, how are you coming in the middle of the night, and what happened with you in the school. So he told her that he's going to get expelled, and it's better for him to return with some kind of dignity, I suppose. So after that, she asked him, like, what you really want to do. And this is the reason I started reading the book. And I was not able to comprehend, like, where the story is going in the, like, in the 70. After I have read the 75% of the book, I was not able to comprehend, like, where the story is going, because it is all all kind of like vague, I think. Yeah, vague is the correct word. So after that, uh, Holden answered like he wanted to be the catcher in the rye. So this is the title, and its meaning is like he wanted to save people from jumping from the cliff, like from the like people who are not in the correct mind would run to the cliff and jump. So he wanted to save them, and that's why he wanted to catch them. So the title is The Catcher in the Rye. So this is how I understood this title. And after that, like, I don't know, I think I forgot it, and I really don't care if you got anything from this video or not, because this is just an experiment for me, like how I wanted to how I want to portray my channel, because the channel's name is Dil Se Random, so anything can be uploaded on this channel, and so this is the thing. Thank you. So हाँ जी, जो लोग मेरी वीडियो पहली बार देख रहे हैं तो पहली बार ही देखोगे, क्योंकि 5 सब्सक्राइबर हैं मेरे अभी, और सब्सक्राइबर्स के लिए सब्सक्राइबर भी दोस्त यार ही हैं, कज़न वज़न कोई और है नहीं अभी। तो मैं वीडियो कुछ सोच के नहीं बनाता, क्या टॉपिक होना चाहिए वो नहीं सोचता। मैंने जैसे आज एक बुक पढ़ी थी, मतलब पहले पढ़ी थी, तो उसका मैंने थोड़ा छोटा जो मुझे समझ आया मैंने अपना रिव्यू दिया। आप अगर ऐसी रैंडम चैनल देखना चाहते हैं तो सब्सक्राइब करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, बस दिल से रैंडम सर्च करके वीडियो देख लो, सब्सक्राइबर की कोई लोड नहीं है। ठीक, ओके।